Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The coach of the Indian Under-16 women's team, Bibi Thomas Muta, has announced the 23-member squad that will take part in the next South Asian Football Federation SAFF Women's Championship to be held in Lalitpur, Nepal from 1st to 10th of March 2024. Among those summoned, there is also a student from Don Bosco High School in Naigaon, Gauri Gaurav, who will be the first girl from the district of Palghar to represent India in football. Father Anthony Fonseca, SDB, principal of the school, in congratulating her, also encouraged other students to play sports and stressed the importance of courage, collaboration and sharing to succeed in future ventures. The vice principal of the school and sports director, Father Joaquim Fernandez, joined the congratulations, adding how the institute is committed to creating transformational leadership through sport and how the coach-athlete relationship strengthens the sense of group. Gauri, for her part, thanked God and recalled the many sacrifices made to achieve this dream, expressing a thought for her parents, the coach and the Salesian school for having believed in her and cultivated her talent. A group made up of 52 students from the secondary school of the Salesians of Lisbon, accompanied by the educators João Filhao and Rita Santos and the Salesian Ricardo Mendes and Don Juan Ferritas, participated in Mission Anima in the municipality of Peniche from February 10th to 17th. Believe in Me was the theme that guided this mission, in which the young people deepened their faith and their relationship with God. During the week, divided into 7 groups, the young people brought their help in the Padre Bastos Social Center and in the Santa Casa della Misericordia, in 2 nursery schools and in the Aconchego Children's Center. They also had the opportunity to offer a testimony to the students of the secondary school of Peniche and to animate the daily rosary and the Eucharist of the parish. The population of Peniche welcomed this group of young people with an open heart and enormous enthusiasm, and it is hoped that this experience can be repeated next year. The provincial meeting of youth ministry in the Salesian province of Brazil, Recife, BRE, was held at the Salesian colony of Jabato dos Guararapes from 23rd to 25th February. The event was attended by about 40 people, including Salesian local pastoral coordinators and members of the teams. The first day had its central objective, a formation session by Professor Anderson Alenkar on the theme 10 Sensitivities for the Salesian School of the 21st Century. In addition to understanding the reality of youth, participants were challenged to understand the role of the Salesian school today. In the remaining days, divided into 3 groups, parishes, schools and social work, the opportunity was given to share the local situation so that it was possible to prepare an activity plan in each area. On the last day, the participants received a visit from Father Rafael Bejarno from the sector for the youth ministry at Salesian headquarters in Rome, reference person for social work in America. On 24th and 25th February, 150 young people aged 18 to 30 from the Salesian Youth Movement SYM participated in the SYM 2024 forum in Lombardy and Emilia-Romagna, held between Parma and Loreto. Upon arrival at the Salesian San Benedetto Oratory in Parma, they were welcomed by the young people from the SYM and the choir who contributed to the preparation of the event. Later, they went to the theatre in the municipality of Loreto, the birthplace of Saint Artemides Zatti, welcomed by the parish priest Father Giancarlo Minota to attend the show Artemides Zatti Rang a Bell by Manuela Chiaffi. The next day in the morning, the group of young people visited the places of Saint Artemides Zatti. In the afternoon, after a moment of sharing and reflection, the event ended with a Holy Mass presided over by Father Roberto Dal Molin, superior of the Lombard Emilian Salesian province, who, during the homily, underlined some fundamental aspects of Saint Artemides Zatti. Alina fled with her 3 children from Zuveka, eastern Ukraine in the early hours of 24th of February 2022, when a new war had just broken out in the heart of Europe. It took us a day and a half to get to Kyiv, and for months we lived in some relatives, Alina recalls. 9 months ago, they moved and settled in Mariupolis, the Salesian city of prefabricated modules built in Lviv, a city that hosts among 1,000 people in small homes. However, the war is also felt in this part of the western Ukraine. There are frequent power blackouts to save electricity or due to anti-missile alarms, explains the young mother. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.